Today, come with us to do a little aerial imaging job. We're going to put the drone up and have a look at a development project which we've been asked to film, video. But before we do that, we're going to get aloft and just have a look at it from the air. And we're going to take the Aerobat today. As you see, with a high wing, we get a much better view out the window than in the Alpi. And the great thing about getting up in the plane, we can have a look at the angles before we even put the drone up, and we see what altitude we have to be at, and that'll determine whether we need to apply for a clearance from the air traffic control for the height of the drone, etc. So come along. Okay, so that's the zone below now, so we get a good bird's eye view of the whole area, as you can see. And finally, a plug for our main sponsor, GHWSupplement.com, a supplier of unique health and wellness supplements from down here in New Zealand. They've just come out actually with a new product called Nadokanaza, which is a Japanese name. And studies show that it dissolves blood clots, which helps maintain good blood vessel structure, improves blood flow, and lowers the risk of heart disease, strokes, etc. It's a very interesting supplement right now and attracting a lot of interest in this world of spike proteins from the you-know-what. GHWSupplement.com. Stay healthy, See you again next time. Bye.